Most people think investing is about finding the next big winner, but there's another way. Quieter, steadier, and far more reliable. Some companies don't just grow in value, they actually pay you to own them. That's dividend investing. A dividend is simply a share of a company's profit paid directly to you as a shareholder. When you buy a stock like Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble, you don't just own a ticker symbol. You own a tiny piece of a real business. And it's not only the big obvious names. Some companies you hear about less often, like Realty Income, AbbVie, or AGNC, are also known for paying regular dividends. Each of these businesses is different, but they share one thing in common. They consistently return cash to shareholders. If that business makes consistent profits, it may send you cash, usually every 3 months. That's your dividend. You didn't sell anything. You didn't trade anything. You were paid just for holding quality companies. If you're between 18 and 28, this is where dividend investing becomes powerful. You don't need a lot of money to start. What you do have is time, and time is the most valuable asset in investing. Small amounts invested regularly can turn into meaningful income years from now. Not overnight wealth, real, durable wealth. Dividend investing rewards patience, consistency, and discipline, not luck. Here's where the magic actually happens. If you take your dividends and reinvest them automatically, you're buying more shares of the same company. More shares mean bigger future dividends. Bigger dividends mean even more shares. Over time, this creates a snowball effect. Slow at first, powerful later. You're not chasing trends, you're compounding ownership. If this kind of no-hype money talk is helpful, a like or share really helps the video reach more people like you. Dividend investing is not flashy. It won't make you rich next month. You won't get dramatic spikes or viral moments. But you will get something better: reliability. Think of dividends like planting trees. You plant one tree, it grows fruit. You plant that fruit, and now you have more trees. Over years, you build your own little forest of income. Dividend investing isn't exciting, and that's exactly why it works. Quiet wins. Dividend investing isn't about quick wins or dramatic stories. It's about choosing solid businesses, staying consistent, and letting time do its work. Some days the market will feel boring, and that's often a good thing. Boring usually means steady, predictable, and real. If you stick with this approach year after year, those small dividends quietly stack up into meaningful income and peace of mind. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more calm, honest investing content. I'll see you in the next one.